Did you know that X, formerly known as Twitter, is paying creators thousands of dollars just for tweeting? So if you want to start earning from tweets, be sure to watch this video. So this is known as the Twitter Creator Ad Program. It is a game changer for monetization on the platform. It was announced by Elon Musk earlier this year, and it allows creators to earn money directly from the tweets and content that you post. This program marks the first time that Twitter has offered direct monetization to creators, and you no longer need to rely on sponsorships on channels such as YouTube in order to start making money. So now you can start making money straight away from your Twitter audience. Now, before you jump on board, there are a few things you need to be aware of. First, your account must be at least 3 months old and have a complete professional profile. Second, you need a minimum of 5 million impressions per month. If you're not sure how many impressions you have on your Twitter account, you can go to analytics.twitter.com to find out. It might sound like a higher number, but it is achievable by engaging consistently on the platform. And finally, number 3, you must meet the guidelines around content topics. So no adult content, illegal activities, or anything like that. So once you meet the qualifications, how do the actual payments work? Well, it's a cost per impression model based on engagement and your niche. The more viral your tweets are and the more lucrative your niche is, the more you can earn per impression, which is comparable to what YouTube pays creators as well. So the potential is real. Just look at examples like Brian, who earned $24,000 last month on an account with under 1 million followers. But it's still early days. We have yet to see if this model will remain sustainable in the long term. Right now, X, or formerly Twitter, is focused on incentivizing creator content. So for now, the payouts are incredibly enticing. And this gives you a unique chance to monetize an audience, especially if you are already on Twitter. But proceed with realistic expectations. Building a reliable income solely from Twitter monetization may be difficult to sustain forever if that's all you're relying on. So it's worth building up multiple income streams and not just relying on Twitter on its own. But if you do want to move forward with Twitter's monetization program, just remember that Twitter does want to see that you have an established presence before approving monetization. And what this means is you'll need a completely filled out profile, including a header and profile photo, a bio, location, website link, and verified email address. So if you do want to move forward with this revenue stream, be sure to put in the time customizing your profile to look polished and professional. Driving significant traffic to your tweets is the key to making this income stream work. So one way you can do this is by commenting on trending topics, react to viral tweets, and use popular hashtags. The Twitter monetization program is slowly rolling out, so it's currently not available in some countries. The United States, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Germany, and Japan are some of the top supported regions, and be sure to check Twitter's website for the full updated list. There is also an age minimum requirement as well, which means you must be at least 18 years old to monetize your Twitter account. Your account standing also matters, so you can't have active violations or a history of repeat offenses. Suspensions or bans will disqualify your account. And you must be an individual account, not representing any governments, officials, or state entities. When it comes to the content, all tweets must comply with Twitter's rules. And one essential criteria is that you must post original content. Retweets or heavily recycled content from other creators alone won't qualify, so Twitter will be monitoring your Twitter account for duplicate or stolen tweets. Optimizing to meet all these benchmarks demonstrates your commitment to contributing unique value as a creator on Twitter's platform. So it may involve some work growing your audience and engagement on X, but achieving approved monetized creator status is very attainable by sticking to and posting original quality content in your niche. Now, once you're approved for monetization, great. Now it's time to optimize your account to maximize your earnings potential. So the more active you are on Twitter, the more impressions and reach your tweets will get. So be sure to engage often with likes, retweets, and replies so the algorithm amplifies your content. When trending topics and viral tweets emerge, capitalize on them to get your voice heard and position yourself as an expert commenting on the latest news and memes. Optimize your profile and tweets for search by including relevant keywords people are searching for, and by doing this, you can expand your current audience. You can also cross-promote your tweets and accounts on other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, funneling traffic from multiple sources to help grow your impressions. It's also worth considering the niche and topics you tweet about. Things like tech, business, and finance tend to be more lucrative niches with higher advertising demand and better CPM rates. It's also worth experimenting with different content formats, so you can try short tweets, long threads, images, videos, quotes, and live broadcasts to see what your audience responds to best. Collaborating with others in your niche is also a great way to be exposed to new audiences and expand your reach. You can team up for code tweets, shoutouts, takeovers, and more. And always be sure to include links to your website, products, or other profiles in your Twitter bio so that you can use your Twitter audience in order to drive additional revenue to you and your business. And then finally, closely analyze your performance metrics in Twitter's analytics to continually refine your content strategy. So dig into what tweet types, topics, and timings perform best for you and your audience. Remember, consistency is key, so be sure to set a regular posting schedule and stick to it. And if you want to save some time, you can even use scheduling software to schedule out tweets for you in advance. Like any platform, to make money from it does require work in the beginning. But one of the opportunities that Twitter gives you is that it's a relatively new channel when it comes to monetizing your tweets. So this means right now the payouts are higher than average, and also there's less competition on that channel. And because this is a new platform that Elon Musk is investing heavily into, it also means that there's a huge potential for growth in the future if you are one of the first ones to start using it. So just imagine if you were one of the first people to start creating a YouTube channel before YouTube really blew up. The same thing could happen with X, formerly Twitter. And if X grows to the size of YouTube, you could have one of the early accounts that are already well established for this additional growth. Now, if you are ready to start making money from tweets, the application process is very straightforward and done directly within X. First, pull up your X profile menu by clicking on your profile pic or the three dots icon, select monetization from the menu, and then you'll be prompted to connect your Twitter account with an existing AdSense account, or set up a new AdSense account if you don't already have one. And this is where your earnings will be paid out. Next, you also need to complete a series of questions about your account and agree to Twitter's monetization policies, so be sure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid issues getting approved. And Twitter support will review your request and account to confirm you meet the criteria. Once approved, you'll see a $ icon on your profile letting you know your earnings are now active. As you tweet going forward, assuming you remain compliant with the policies, the revenue will start accruing automatically based on your impressions and engagement. No further steps are needed. So just be patient through the review process, and soon you'll join the ranks of successfully monetized creators on Twitter. Twitter's new monetization presents a valuable opportunity to profit from your audience, and the potential payouts make it worth exploring. And if you'd like to learn more ways that you can increase your income, be sure to watch the video that you see on your screen right now. And I'll see you on the other side.